Dear viewers, this is the question paper of Political Science for the year 2022 examination conducted by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, and this is the marking scheme. You can see part A and part B. Let's glance over the questions. Part A. Write the full form of NIEU. The collapse of which country is known as the collapse of the Second World? In which year Iraq invaded Kuwait? Write the full form of SAFTA. Earth Summit was held in the year dash. The World Council of Indigenous People was formed in the year 74, 75, 76. Choose the correct answer. Then comes the question. Mention two reforms Mikhail Gorbachev initiated in the Soviet Union. Write down the name of the permanent members of States of Security Council of United Nations organizations. 2 marks. Write the names of two non-governmental organizations which were concerned with protection of human rights all over the world. Name the principal organs of United Nations organization. Mention two sources of threats to human beings. Write two causes of water pollution. Why did big powers need to have alliance with smaller countries? Write 4 reasons. Discuss briefly about the constraints on US hegemony. Question number 10. Discuss briefly about the recent relationship between India and Pakistan. Question number 11. Write briefly about global poverty. Question number 12. Discuss briefly about the political consequences of globalization. Number 13. Why did Soviet Union disintegrate? Discuss 3 reasons. Discuss elaborately the US hegemony as an economic superpower. Number 14. What are the main pillars of ASEAN? Discuss elaborately. Discuss India's relationship with China. Part B. In which year first general election was held in India? In 1951. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sukumar Sen. Write the full form of NEFA, Northeast Frontier Agency. Panchashil principles were jointly declared by Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai. Who started Total Revolution? What is full form of MLF? When was the Bharatiya Janata Sangh formed? Who was the founder president of Jana Sangh? Shama Prasad Mukherjee was the founder president. Write the names and symbols of any two national political parties in India. Write two consequences of 1977 Lok Sabha election. Write any two features of coalition government in India. Write two causes of the emergence of communalism in India. Write two causes of origin of regionalism in India. Explain briefly about two-nation theory. Why did India adopt the policy of non-alignment? Discuss briefly the causes of a decline of the Congress party. Discuss briefly the importance of social movement. And the last page, explain any two reasons for the emergence of the coalition politics in the Indian democratic system. Discuss the main controversies around plan developed in the early years of India's independence, or what do you mean by plan development? Discuss the role of planning commission in the development of India. Number 28, discuss the consequences of national emergency declared on 25th June 1975, or discuss elaborately about the secessionist movements of Northeast India. So this is the question paper of HS final year. Thanks for watching.